guys, welcome back. आज है the 4th of November and it's Diwali. It's about 10:20 a.m. I dropped the girls off at daycare around 9. फिर मैं घर आई and I had breakfast and now I'm gonna make some chai. And I thought आज दिवाली है so I must do something. Even though ज़्यादा feel नहीं हो रहा है it's Diwali today. But I did get some decoration, so I'm going to start cleaning the house after having my tea, and I'm going to cook something interesting today which I'll show you. The girls are going to be at daycare till about 4:30, so I have until then, but there's a lot to do, so come on with me and I'll show you. So यहाँ बन रही है चाय. These are the very limited decoration that I have. This is a toran that I got from the Indian store just a few weeks back, which I'll put on our front entrance door. These are some diyas from last year. उसमें से एक missing है, so we'll see. Then these are some basic diyas that I got this time. So I'm planning not to use the traditional ghee wala diya because we have kids at home and we're going to have a party on Saturday where there'll be more kids and people, so it's safer to have those electric ones, the small ones that run on a battery and they last long too. Plus it's very cold and windy, so agar I'm putting anything outside, that's a better option. The floor is super dirty. There's like food crumbs and something sticky all over, so I am going to have my tea and then quickly vacuum and mop the entire house. Oh, also wanted to show you, you probably cannot see it right now because it's daytime, but Harsh put up these lights a couple of days back and we light them every night, so they look super pretty at night. There are some lights over there also जो अभी नहीं दिख रहे हैं, but रात को I'll take a better video and it just makes the whole atmosphere very festive. So I made puri, aloo ki sabzi and aate ka halwa and I recorded the whole process on my camera, but my laptop broke so I cannot access those videos and I'm really upset. So this is what I shot from my phone and I'm sharing this picture with you instead of what I made, and I did some puja and this is what I offered. Hi guys, so my god, my hair is messed up, but yeah, I am ready. As you can see, I'm wearing these cute little jhumkas. I love them. They're super light and very traditional looking as well. Outfit, it's not really Indian, but because I'm going to go out and run some errands, I didn't want to dress up because it's also super cold today. So yeah, I'm all ready. Now I'm going to quickly pack the food and take it to Harsh's office. It's already 1 p.m. and I told him I'll be there by 1. It's a 15-minute drive, so I have to hurry up and I'll see you there. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing. I got these pants from some street in India, in Mumbai, when I was shopping a few years back. And this is just a normal top. I'm wearing a sweater and that's it. And I told you these Indian earrings and some very, very basic makeup, but that's my outfit. मैं एक्चुअली भूल गई थी कि बच्चों के बिना ड्राइव करना कितना ईजी होता है. सो इट लिटरली टेक्स 2 seconds टू गेट आउट ऑफ द कार एंड स्टार्ट ड्राइविंग विदाउट एनी फस एंड यू कैन लिसन टू एनीथिंग यू वांट. तो बस मैं यहाँ ड्राइव कर रही हूँ, अपने हस्बैंड के ऑफिस जा रही हूँ लंच लेकर, एंड जस्ट लुक एट दीज ब्यूटिफुल फॉल कलर्स. सो थॉट ऑफ कैप्चरिंग सम व्हाइल ऑन माई वे. आज तुमने रेड जैकेट पहनी थी
और क्या,
एकदम दूर से कितना ब्राइट लग रहा है.
Wow. What a great lunch.
एक प्रॉब्लम हुआ है.
What?
अरे यार, वो पूरी की रेसिपी में मैंने वो क्रिस्पी थोड़ी सी बने वैसी रेसिपी देखी थी तुम्हारी फेवरेट सोनिया बार्टन की, और उस चक्कर में ना बहुत कड़क हो गई है पूरी.
That's fine. अपने को खाने और टेस्ट से मतलब है.
तुम क्या यहाँ बैठ के खाओगे?
कौन है फोन पे?
कोई नहीं. वीडियो बना रही हूँ सिर्फ.
मैं अंदर जाऊंगा
तो गरम कर लेना. घर आके मैं भी अपना लंच कर रही हूँ, 2 पूरी, आलू की सब्ज़ी, आटे का हलवा एंड रायता. एंड ऑल्दो आई एम ट्राइंग टू ईट हेल्थियर, आई हैड डिसाइडेड कि दिवाली पे I'll eat everything but in limited portions of course, and most of it was home cooked, so it's not too bad anyway. उसके बाद I did some साफ़ सफाई एंड यहाँ पे मैं दिए लगा रही हूँ, but I had a lot of footage which was in my camera. As you can see, I also put up the toran there and it looked quite pretty. So ये सब सामान है and yeah. This is the condition of our garage right now, very messy, but I had put all the Diwali decoration, basically these 3 lights that I'm going to put as diyas. So hopefully they're still working. I ordered these 2 years ago. The flame is kind of getting low, but I think we can still use it for 1 more year. And yeah, hopefully soon, by next summer, all this crap will go. Most of these boxes are just empty, so we just have to deflate them and recycle them. All these suitcases are empty, so we need to like stack them up in one place. This is an extra mattress, and then this is a headboard of a very beautiful bed that I had bought on Facebook Marketplace, but we just need to call someone to install it. So yeah, that's pending. Then we have these bikes and everything, a lot of stuff, but we'll do it. Dheere dheere we'll do it. For now, let's focus on the Diwali decorations. So I cleaned the entire patio. As you can see, everything is gone, cleaned up, and I also swept and mopped the floor, so the house was clean. I did the dishes, the kitchen was clean, the counter was cleaned up, all the dishes were in the dishwasher. I cleaned the sink. दिवाली पे अच्छा लगता है, और ये सब खाना पैक करके रेडी है for the kids when they come home. And this is what it looks like from outside. It's daytime right now, so it's not quite visible, but at night these little electric or battery diyas look really pretty. और ये है हमारी 2006 Toyota Corolla, our second car in Canada, which we finally sold after all these years on the day of Diwali. So I thought it was very auspicious. Hey, show me what's in your hand.
Diwali! Say happy Diwali lights!
Happy Diwali lights. That's such a beautiful light. Jingle jingle. Jingle jingle jingle.
Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali, Kappa! I got a tissue.
Very good. Hey, don't eat it. Don't put it in your mouth. Put it on the shoe rack. Put your shoes on the shoe rack, please. Thank you. Give me your jacket. Thank you. Hey, show me your hair. Who did your hair today?
Mara cried and said, like it. And Amara did her pony, and Jody did her pony.
Jody did it? Already destroying the Diwali diyas. This is why I have the... Oh God.
What is that?
That's a Diwali light. What are you eating?
Hava.
Halwa and
Potato.
potato. Very good.
Owl.
Aloo, yes. Is it spicy? It's good. It's not spicy, beta. Good job. That's halwa. Halwa. That's aloo. Aww. Aww. So the kids are all asleep. It's about 7:30 p.m. right now, and as I promised, I'm showing you a video of how the lights look. It's starting to get dark now, and I just absolutely love looking at this view at night out of our bedroom. And it'll get even better as it gets darker. So finally it was around 9:10 p.m. and this is how our patio looks like. I also lit up the diyas, if you can see. I love the festive vibe that Diwali brings. And I also got these lights from a dollar store. It always amazes me how much positivity lights can bring in your home.
Who wants laddu? Okay, have your laddu. Have your laddu. Eat it like this. Ah. Is it yummy?
These are the besan laddus I made for the friends, and I totally forgot to take any videos during our Diwali party, so I'm just sharing some pictures. It was a very simple get together. We were about 10 to 12 people with kids, and we had a lot of fun. It was a little chaotic because kids were kind of taking some time to gel and mix up, but it was fun catching up with people. And Diwali is all about celebrating with your friends and family and just sharing happiness. It doesn't have to be anything grand, but just being together and celebrating and spreading love and happiness is the intention. So here's wishing all of you a very happy Diwali. I know this is super late, but just wanted to share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.